fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get on with this shoe. Get you guys a little box action. I wanted to review this shoe and then I saw the paper and it just pissed me off because they wrapped it in the Zoom paper. This is the Air Jordan 1 Element Black, Chili Red, and Particle Gray. I have the other version too. I'm not going to even open that one now that it's got this paper. I'm going to go and get some other shoes. What everybody wanted to see. Pardon me, guys. Everybody wanted to see these Jordans, so I made sure I grabbed some of them. I gonna have some on sale online, so make sure you guys check the link below for my eBay, StockX, and GOAT. I have them on as well. So guys, I'm taking the paper off so you know I'm not bullshitting you. I hate this stuff. I just grabbed any shoe. And make sure that I leave this cool so I can put this shoe back in there. I got this shoe for a customer. I have this shoe in a 13 as well for myself and 11.5er. The materials on this shoe, as you guys know, oh my God, are just outstanding. For the first time, Jordan has teamed up with Gore-Tex. I put Gore-Tex on a Jordan 1. It's just simply outstanding. The materials, everything on this shoe is outstanding, guys. Do not let these shoes sit on store shelves. Look good. And big feet gang, I'm looking at this little feet gang shoe. This is a 7.5. So if you're interested in the 7.5, like I said, check the link down below. I got from 7.5 to 13 in this shoe. In fact, I think from 7.5 to 14. I apologize. So if you're interested in the 7.5 to a 14, I got you covered. Both colors. I don't know when you see this video or how many will be left, so don't take your time. Go now. As soon as I'm editing the video, I'll be uploading them to StockX and GOAT, eBay. We got an abundance of them, so I don't know why nobody wanted this shoe, at least in the areas where I'm at. They're just sitting. Like I said, don't let this shoe sit. If it's really Gore-Tex, even though, like I said, I recommend that you treat this shoe with the ozone stain treatment. Some Rejuvenate or something of that type crap, whatever your brand you use. But look at this green Gore-Tex material to the gray Gore-Tex. The Nubuck suede, Jordan, a Wings logo, silver, black toe box outlining, green toe box. Well, guys, this shoe is just outstanding. Let me get you a little bit of top action before we close this up. Look at this shoe, guys. All waterproof, snowproof, stain-proof, keep your feet warm, Gore-Tex material. Show you guys the bottom real quick again, because it's got a little crazy bottom. It's like a black white bottom. Look kind of like a cow in my opinion, but people tell me don't call it the cow bottom, but you guys know what I'm saying. Let me show you guys one more side view of what the shoe will look like on your foot. We'll get on with this next video. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. I have this shoe, 2 pairs in size 13. This is a pair for a customer or someone who might buy the shoes. So I'm adding these to the video. Let people know that I have children's shoes. This is the Air Jordan 12 Retro. White, metallic, gold, and black. AKA the Royalty Taxis. Or the Royal Taxis. Get a good shoe out of here for you guys. In here next set. Alrighty. Not a bad shoe. Starting to see some badness on the shoe itself. I guess that's just how Nike's doing it now. cut this light out so you guys can get the light out action first. Materials on this shoe are pretty good. I don't think you could really go wrong with a Jordan 12. A lot of people like the retro 11s, so these and the cool gray 11s have been moving for me. All sizes. Like I said, trying to move these last grade schoolers. I hate these cheap Nike bags when they put the big bags like this. You have to get an extra pair of white laces to go with the shoe. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, I like the royalty taxis. Even in big sizes, they look pretty cool. Like I said, this is a 4.5 youth. So in case you're the person who gets this pair or watches the video to buy this pair, this is for you. How about you? And I may never wear mine, but not really a Jordan 12 guy. I like the Jordan 12s. They're just not my favorite silhouette. But I know a good shoe when I see one. Got a side view of what you see when the shoe's on your foot. And let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's finish up with this last shoe. This guy's a little bit box action, let it focus. Come on, again, there we go. This is the Nike Dunk High Fragments. This is my rental pair. I have a pair for wearing and a pair for staring of this shoe as well. I said might as well get a rental pair. Shoe didn't do too good resale wise. But I still don't want to put too much damage on my shoes. I don't really wear the Dunks that often. But this is one of the Dunks that I actually like, being that other people didn't like it too much. I usually get in all Dunks though. And try to add one to my collection. A lot of people are sad or angry that the Dunks have passed the Jordans now. But it's actually easier to find Jordans than Dunks right now in most places. Don't even get me started on the sneakers apps with the Dunks. You may hit, but you may never see a Dunk from the sneakers app. I like this colorway. Materials are outstanding on this shoe. Get the black toe box. Purple background with a little black Nike swoosh again hit. Fragment logo on the back. A little bit of Fragment writing. I don't know if you guys can make this out with the light on. Normal Dunk back. Everybody tells me, my dad was just telling me as well, that the Dunks remind him more of Air Forces than they do Jordans. Either way, this is the new king. Have to have Dunks in your rotation. You don't have to, but if you're calling yourself a sneaker person, it seems like the Dunks are the new king. You have to start at least having a few Dunks in your collection. This here is a Dunk High. Like I said, again, one of my favorites. I'll give you guys a look at the shoe when it will be on your foot. And then we'll end this video. Alright guys, you know what part of the video is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe down below. We're going to be having more shoes. I'm trying to get through. I'm just so busy. We'll have more shoes and more game reviews. Remember to check out my garden channel as well. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!